Welcome to the Intensive Text Analysis with Python. The aim of this course is to teach you the basics of Python so you can understand and assemble a toolkit from the bits of code that we have written for you along the way, which you can use to form computational analysis on all kinds of texts, from Shakespeare to newspapers to court transcripts. As long as Python can read it, the possibilities are pretty much endless. This course is divided into 4 topics, each of which will focus on a different aspect of Python. Topic 1 will demonstrate how to install the necessary software on your computer or laptop. Topic 2 will tackle the basics of Python, teaching you how to write and fix simple pieces of code. Topic 3 will focus on the more complex task of text analysis using Python, and will provide you with bits of code that can be altered and used for your own needs. Topic 4 will explore the different outputs that you can generate using Python, including how to make your notebook accessible to the public and why you may choose to do so. Topics 2 and 3 in particular cover a lot of ground, so in each of the sprints there will be a set of key learning objectives, which are core concepts that you should be able to explain by the end of the sprint. It might be a good idea to make a note of these at the beginning of each sprint and see if you can answer them as you go through examples and challenges. We often notice that people unfamiliar with coding, in particular those who study non-STEM subjects, often become daunted at the idea of learning Python. Some of the most intelligent and confident people often become uncomfortable and even self-deprecating when the subject of coding comes up. Statements like, "I'm not clever enough, my brain just doesn't work like that," are said repeatedly. Now, I'm only going to say this once. This is nonsense. Coding is a skill, just like anything else, which can be learned by anyone willing to put in the time and acquire the necessary knowledge. Do not be intimidated by the ivory towers of science and technology. As you go through the topics, don't give up if you can't complete a challenge on your first try. Keep at it, reread your code and our explanations, keep typing it in, use the links provided for further reading, and you will understand it in the end. Now, it's time to get started. Let's get on to our first topic.